Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create graphs and charts in Canva. Before we get started, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So you've got a couple of different ways to create these graphs and charts. The first way is to use the templates. So I'm going to click onto the templates tab in the left hand side, and then you have like hundreds and thousands of templates to choose from. What you need to do is type in graphs in the search bar, and you have like a few different options. What type of graph do you want? Do you want a bar graph, a line graph? And I'm sure there's lots of different ones. So I'm just going to click on bar graphs. And as you can see, loads of different types of bar graphs come up. You can also filter them by style if you want something specific, like modern, simple, corporate, colorful. There's just so many to choose from. So have a scroll through, decide what type of graph you want. Of course, whichever one you choose, you can edit it to be exactly how you want it, whether that's colors and fonts and things like that. The templates just give you a great starting point. So I quite like this graph. So I'm going to click on that one, and then I'm going to click on customize the template. So once you have your graph template, you can go in, you can edit the text, you can change the font, you can change like the colors and the background. So you can see it's light blue, but maybe I want to make it something a bit different, like green or yellow. It really is up to you, and you can undo any changes you make. You can edit the bars, so you can go in and add in new data in the left hand side by clicking on the bars, and just edit your data to whatever you like. So the second way to make a graph in Canva, so I'm just going to add a new page here. So if you've opened up a new design, you can click on elements and then just write graph into the tab. And again, you have options for different types of graphs. So I can click on line graph, and there's loads that come up. You can see you have like line, multi-line, tree maps, categorical row. There's just so many different ones. So choose the type of graph that you want, click on it, and then it'll be added to your page. And then of course you could edit your graph exactly how you like. Go in and edit the text, move your graph about, make it bigger or smaller, and then add in your data on the left hand side. So when you're happy with your graph, you can download it and share it with whoever you want. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.